Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting right now. You need a CR2032 battery and clear light. Place the Airtag white side down on your palm so you control it. Press down with both thumbs on the stainless back while turning counterclockwise. You'll feel resistance, then a click. This releases the cover. Once done, lift the cover straight up and set it aside. Make sure to note the battery orientation. Positive side faces out toward you. That matters for power and pairing to work immediately. Now you'll remove the old CR2032. Use your fingernail to pry it up gently. Do not use metal tools that could short the contacts. Once out, inspect the cavity and contact spring for corrosion. Clean with a dry microfiber if needed. Drop the new battery in with the positive plus sign facing you. It should sit flat and centered. Once seated, press the battery down slightly to ensure contact. You'll hear or feel a tiny click when it's correctly. Finish by aligning the 3 cover tabs with the slots. Then press down and rotate clockwise until it locks. You'll feel resistance and a soft click. Once closed, test by holding the Airtag near your iPhone. Tap it to play a sound and open the Find My app to verify battery percent and connection. If it doesn't show or play, make sure you reseated the battery correctly. Try another new CR2032 and inspect for debris. One common fail is a stuck tab or inverted battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.